Hi there, this is the first video to show you how to edit the theme. So I will first edit the website color, so theme color. So I go to online store, click on the themes and click on customize button, and it will let us access this further area of the store. So this is obviously Brooklyn theme, and here we can edit the header area, slideshow, the further elements, featured collection, newsletter, footer, and so on. And if you click on theme settings, you will be able to edit the website colors, font, card page, social media, favicon, and obviously checkout if you want to edit the checkout page as well. Customize it. So when it comes to colors, background, we can leave a white background at the moment. So headings, these are the headings, so I can change the text of the heading here. So this is just to show you how to edit the colors. Obviously those colors won't be the final ones. The body text, so we can change it here. Line colors, so if your website uses lines like this one, you can edit it as well. Buttons, labels, so I assume it will be okay, text within the buttons, and then the buttons color. For example, I can change it to a different one. Links and accents, I can edit here. Not sure if there are any displayed on the home page. And what else? Drawers. The drawers, I assume, are those featured collections. They are not displayed on the homepage at the moment, but if you would have a featured collection here in terms of carousel, you can edit the background of this element, lines and borders and so on, obviously buttons, so you can all edit here. Once this is done, you can click save. I won't be saving it now. But I'm just wondering how to edit those green elements, because unless they are being edited individually on each slideshow. So let me just check. So this is the first slideshow. Yeah, so this is the text. I can edit the text on each slideshow from here. So the first one, I'm editing the first one. I can change it. Okay, so the logo also changes within this theme. Button label. Okay. No, the logo doesn't change, just the text. I'm not sure why it displayed that the logo was changing. If the button, so you can link to a certain destination to display the button, then edit obviously color of the button and the text and the button label. So this is how you edit the elements within each slideshow. Okay, when it comes to logo, I'm just also intrigued by this text. I'm not sure why it changes. This text changes within the each slideshow. I think you have to change the the logo color for each slideshow. But yeah, and those icons also change color with if you change the color of the text on each slideshow, which I'm not sure, because now they changed again, so I'm not sure if this theme actually doesn't come with certain glitch. Anyway, that definitely will, I will have to look into that. But if you have got a logo, I'd recommend sticking to a logo with transparent background so it stays the same, and obviously edit those icons so they don't so they display in the same color on each slideshow. But basically this is how you added all the elements in the of the theme. And obviously there will be many more videos, um but yeah, this is how you get started. Obviously, once you make changes, don't forget to click save. I haven't been clicking save in this video, but it's a good practice. Just remember to always click save once you make a change. And I hope you found these tips useful. Thank you so much. Bye bye.